Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the Xiaomi's Redmi 5. So Redmi 5 was announced last week, and this is the successor of the Redmi 4 which was announced last year by Xiaomi in India. So in this video we'll do the unboxing, we'll show you the interface and also we'll share some samples taken with this device. So let's get started. So this is the box packing of the Redmi 5, and this comes in different variants. So we have the 3GB RAM and 32GB storage variant, and this device comes with a 5.7-inch full screen or rather 18:9 aspect ratio. It's an HD plus resolution display. LED selfie flash is included. And we have the Snapdragon 450 octa-core chipset. It's a 14nm manufacturing process, and the Snapdragon 450 is quite similar to the Snapdragon 625 in terms of the performance, even though this is a 400 series chipset. And we have a 3300 high capacity battery, and you also get MIUI with custom Android OS. So that's the device. So this is available on Amazon and me.com. So we have the black variant, 3GB RAM and 32GB storage variant. So let's get started with unboxing. So let's first open the box and see the device. So there you go. So opening up, you can see on the top there is a small box which has a case included. So let's come back to that in a while. So this is the device. It's quite slim, and probably the slimmest Xiaomi Redmi smartphone available right now in India. It's just 7.7 mm in thickness, and feels quite good. So this has the 5.7-inch 18:9 aspect ratio display, a 12 megapixel rear camera, LED flash, fingerprint scanner, and the Mi logo at the bottom. So that's the device aspect. So you can see the antenna bands at the top and the bottom, and the power and volume keys are on the right side. The left side houses the SIM tray, and the top panel has the IR blaster and the 3.5mm audio jack, and the bottom panel houses the micro USB charging slot and the speaker unit. So that's the device design. So let's just peel off this front sticker and boot the device, and in the meantime let's see what else comes inside the box. So here in this box you get a case. So Xiaomi has been including case for the last couple of releases. The Redmi Note 5 and the Redmi Note 5 Pro had cases included. So here again you can see there's a really good quality case included with the black variant. So this is quite good and gives some decent protection to the device. So that's the case. Now you get to see this Redmi 5 manual and warranty information. So that's the guide, and then you get the micro USB charging cable. This is standard charger, and then you get the adapter included. So let's see the voltage rating on the adapter. So this is output is 5 volt 2 ampere. So that's QC 1.0. that's the basic charging included, and you also get a SIM ejector pin included with the box. So that's all inside the box. Now let's see the device. So that's the Xiaomi's Redmi 5 with a 5.7-inch HD plus resolution display, and you can see that the display quality looks much better than the Redmi 4. It is an 18:9 aspect ratio display, 2.5D glass, and the viewing angles and touch response feels a bit more smoother than the Redmi 4. Now let's go to the settings and let's see the about phone. So you can see that the device name is Redmi 5, Android version 7.1.2, nougat out of the box. There is no Oreo as of now, and you can see that 1.8 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 430 is the chipset, 3GB RAM and 32GB storage, and out of the 32GB you get a 23.68GB out of the box. So that's the storage option, and you can see that the MIUI version is 9.2, quite similar to what we've seen on the Redmi Note 5. So you can see that the settings panel almost looks similar to the other devices. So now let's have a look at the camera as well. So this comes with a 12 megapixel shooter and a 5 megapixel camera with a LED flash as well. That's an additional feature included here. So let's just take some quick captures. So there you go. So now let's just have a look at the samples. So these are some of the samples we have just taken right now, and looks quite decent overall. You can see that details are preserved, and noise is reduced, and sharpness levels are also quite impressive. So the camera definitely looks good for a sub 10K smartphone. So here are some of the camera samples we have taken with this device after unboxing the device. So we'll be coming up with a detailed camera review of this device, so stay tuned for that. Now the device also comes with a 3300 mAh battery that should be quite good enough for a day of usage because it's a 49nm manufacturing process, the Snapdragon 450. It should be quite good enough for battery performance, and you can expect slightly more than a day with moderate usage. But we'll also be posting the gaming performance test because this is the Snapdragon 450 octa-core chipset. This is quite a good performing chipset, so we'll be posting the gaming performance review as well. And with a 5.7-inch display and a slim form factor, this is definitely a good device for gaming in the sub 10K price segment. So that's the quick unboxing and hands-on with the Xiaomi's Redmi 5. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. So coming to the pricing, this device comes in 3 variants: the 2GB RAM and 16GB storage, priced at 7,999, and you get a 3GB RAM and 32GB storage at 8,999, and for 10,999 you get 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. So these are the 3 variants available exclusively on Amazon as well as me.com. So that's it for this video. This is Nirma signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.